In today's video, we are going to prepare a bone broth soup. It's my first time preparing this bone broth. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube and I think I'm ready to prepare it. These bones, I got them from Bama Market and I start by boiling them. Then I will add my onions and my leeks as the bone is starting to boil, but we'll also add some of my favorite spices. Cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, black pepper and cloves. Add some salt to taste, and then I will let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes on the slow heat. It's now 10 a.m. and I think by around 5-6 it should be ready. So that's how you let your bone broth to boil and simmer well. Thinking back now, I think I should have added my spices, onions and leeks maybe a little bit later on. But all in all, I think it's a first of many, so I'm not mad at myself at all. These bone marrows are really good, and I have been taking soup, especially here in Kenya. Kuna watu wa kuuza supu along the road near the butchery, and I've had those for a really long time. Plus I'm at home, that I should have at my own time. The broth is ready. As you can see, I'm now putting it into my containers to put in the fridge, and it smells amazing. I think this is enough to take me for a week. I'm planning to have it maybe twice or thrice a week, and I can't wait to even taste it now. But it's very affordable if you want to prepare the broth. I think I got the bones at $50 per kg at Bama Market, like I mentioned. If I had a big enough cooking pot, I would have bought for $100. But I think even this is still not bad. It says healthy. I'm not happy. I'm gonna taste and see it. I've not added any cooking oil. I have just added all the spices and salt, and I also added a bit of chili because my chili. Bone broth is very rich in collagen. And what does collagen do? Collagen helps strengthen our bones. If you have issues with your joints, your bones are weak or getting weaker, then collagen is very useful and important in strengthening our bones. And I personally want to strengthen my bones, and this is affordable, it's natural, and this is my way of just taking some vitamins to strengthen my bones and my joints. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this video, about this bone broth, and I will see you guys on my next video.